Hey guys, welcome back to the channel Opinions Matter. How are we guys doing today? There are some things that's going on in the market right now. DJI has just announced an event that's going to happen on the May, something like a spring event and stuff like that. If you guys do not know me, my name is Das. This is our channel Opinions Matter, and in Opinions Matter we all discuss about a lot of topics. I show you some tech products, some tutorials. It's a mix and match of a lot of stuff. It's info, history, opinion, tech, drone, camera. So if you are into all those stuff, do subscribe. That will support me and support the channel to go in the future. If you are not into this sort of stuff, well, you can still enjoy yourself by watching my videos. So let's begin. You might be thinking another episode for the Cinewhoops. Nope, it's not another episode for the Cinewhoops. And the good thing is that it has a Cadex Turtle camera. And with the help of this camera, you can actually shoot 1080p footage at 60 FPS. Now imagine something small like this going, you've got so many range of shots, but I didn't fly it. So the video is not going to be the review of this iFlight Cinebi HD. The video actually today is something that DJI had just informed us a few days back. Yesterday I saw this. I was having coffee in the morning and I saw this. And I wanted to share with you guys. Quickly go to dji.com and we are going to look together what's going on. So when you go to dji.com, you're going to see something like this, that they are showing that there's an event going on very soon. So May 15th, 6 days from now, they have got a picture like this which says unleash your other side. What does that mean? That means, I don't know. You guys tell me, what does it mean? Well, I have gathered some informations. These are people, those who are in the aerial filming business. These are people, those who work very close with a lot of products that comes to Los Angeles for testing. I just found out that this is going to be something very different, and it might even kill DJI's competitors, like Thanos, like a snap. Well, what is happening is that whenever you look into the picture, you will see that it is related to water. It gives you a clue about related to water. And you'll be saying, Das, don't tell us something just by your thoughts or your fantasy. Well, remember that when the DJI event was happening for Osmo Pocket, I had already told you guys that I think that it's going to be an Osmo update. Well, this is going to be a complete new product. Do not think about it that it might be Phantom, might be new Mavic 2 or something like that. Well, this is going to be a complete range of products. It's a very new lineup that DJI is going to start up. This is probably DJI's first take. This is going to be the DJI's action camera. Yes, they are going to compete for the first time. They're going to compete against GoPro. Why? Because they got immense boost in sales with their Osmo Pocket. And and GoPro, they are like the dominators, in action camera. GoPro should have built some drones also just to have competition, but they built a drone and that drone was a major fail in a lot of aspect, and GoPro quickly rolled it back, and you might not be seeing the karmas coming up at all. So this is going to be the action camera. The news has just been confirmed by a lot of people whom I know, whose names I cannot say. These are leaks that has been gathered from all around. The second thing, will the Phantom 5 launch? There is no news or no rumor about Phantom 5 getting launched or not. But who knows? They might all shock us and suddenly show us something else. Anyways, whatever it is going to be, it is going to be crazy amazing. I'm just waiting what's going to happen within 6 days. Stay tuned in the channel. The day it comes out, I'll let you know my thoughts. But it's like 98% sure that this is going to be DJI's first take on action cameras. Now, why action cameras? Because you might be thinking GoPro is already making it, but the world also has got a big community of drone pilots or FPV racing pilots that needs action cameras also. We just put it on the top and you put a GoPro Hero Session on the top, and that's how you fly this tiny quads and record cinematic footage. Maybe this is going to be a very unique action camera. Maybe this is going to be that camera which you can go underwater. It's your everyday action camera, and then you can mount this on a drone and this will be your FPV racing drone also. Now let's see what's going to happen, guys. Let me know down in comment section below what do you think your thoughts are on the DJI event that's going to happen within 6 days. Do you really think that DJI is going to put up an action camera? Do you really think that whether it's going to be a Phantom 5, because there's a lot of rumors going on everywhere, or do you think it's going to be a totally separate event, totally separate than whatever we are thinking? But as the image, as you can see on the right hand side, you will see the image yourself, and you will like, I already guessed it 75% that it might be related to water. But then I was discussing with few people that will it be an underwater drone? I mean, who knows? But then also biggest news confirmation is that it is going to be an action camera. I might be right, I might be wrong, but the chances of me being wrong is around about 15%. So I will still take the chance of like 85% that this is going to be DJI's new action camera. But stay tuned. We are also going to talk about on that day when it launches on May 15th, 9 a.m. our Pacific Standard Time. We will see what happens, because all I know that it is an action camera, but there might be a lot of features that will be included in the action camera, because DJI is not going to just throw in a product and you're like, have it. Nope. They will create something very innovative, and I am waiting for that time to happen. So take care. See you again, guys, on another episode. If you like this presentation, do click the subscribe button, which is probably on the left hand side, and goodbye.